remove this. Hard drive out. Put aside. There are two different models. Remove the screw. Other models may have a screw over there. Remove that one as well. Remove top cover. Pull from this side first and then from this side. If you can't get this side to come off, flathead screwdriver, turn it over slightly and wedge the edge of the screwdriver into the side and then pull it off. You can now push the cover backwards and remove. Remove these screws here. Torx TAs. Turn the console over. Pull from this corner upwards and from this corner upwards. Again, if you can't get it off, screwdriver into the edge, push off that way. Now we need to remove every single screw that you can see, all the way around the outside here, around here, and all around the GPU just here. Some of them are Torx TAs, others are crosshead. Now we will need to remove all these plugs from the motherboard. So this one over here, be careful when you're pulling this out. That's the fan. Unclip these, pull these out. This one here, pull the black clip up first, then remove. To remove these antennae here, flathead screwdriver, carefully underneath and then flick upwards. We can now remove this, pull it upwards. Oops, one more screw up there. Pull this upwards. Remove this here. Other models have got a heat shield over here. If that's the case, remove all the screws, take it off. That reveals the clamp. Unscrew the clamp. Screwdriver, carefully with this. It is possible to break these here, so just be careful when you're removing this. Okay, motherboard can now come out, but first we've got to remove the power supply from the other side, so turn it back over. Just going to take the power supply out, so from this side get a flathead screwdriver there, pull it up gently, and then just carefully remove it like this, and you'll see there's a plug here. Pull the plug out of the board and set aside. Turn it back over again. We can now pull the motherboard out from the back, pull it up, remove gently from here. At this point you may want to give the motherboard a clean down with a brush, both sides. Now we need to remove this flathead screwdriver, one screw there, two screws. This will now detach, and again, while you got this open, very often this will be full of dust. If your console's overheating, the fan's getting noisy, clean this down with a brush, take it outside, give it a thorough clean out so you can see all the way through, and then once you're done you can put the console back together again, and that will resolve your overheating issue.